Well, welcome back to another New Tool Tuesday. Right now, we're going to go over a few new items that I picked up. Here we have a US General 12-inch magnet tray with screwdriver holder. And this one here is a slate gray. And I got another one over here that is yellow. So we're going to be putting these up on a sandblast cabinet and my yellow cart. This is going to be something that I will use in an upcoming video. Fuel line and AC quick disconnect tool from Harbor Freight. It is their item 63595. I've never used one of these, but in this upcoming video, you'll get to see me use this in action. Hopefully it works. All right. Well, this one here I'm very excited about. It's a brand new DeWalt 20-volt ratchet. It's the item number DCF512B. This one is the 1/2 inch. I thought about getting a 3/8, but I thought, well, might as well get a 1/2. I can always use a reducer if I need to. This one here, the specs on it, the max torque on this one is 70 foot-pounds. The length is 14.2 inches. The tool by itself weighs 2.4 pounds. If you remember back to my last Tool Tuesday, I had bought kind of a, well, cheapo, and it was a 3/8. I used it once. You may have seen it in one of my videos. It did not have any power whatsoever. And then when I went to try it later on something else, it wouldn't even spin the socket. So, having said that, I returned it, got my money back, and I decided just to upgrade and go with the DeWalt. Might as well do it. I got the batteries, so what the heck, right? Okay, so let's go ahead, open this bad boy up, and see what we got in here. All right, we got some instructions. That's more instructions than I got with a brand new computer. All right, well, they got this packed up decent. It appears to be brand new. It smells like Doritos. I'm not accusing the guy on the build line eating Doritos while putting this together. I'm not saying that at all. So it does smell good. You know, this looks just like my last one I got that was super cheap. Get a battery on it, make sure it works. I'll be using this in an upcoming video as well. Oh, that feels a whole lot better than that cheap one I bought. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is going to be all right. What can I try this on? I got to find something. Hold on. If you remember back to the cheap one that I purchased, it struggled to get a loose nut off of a stud. Let's see what this one will do. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this lug nut. Yeah. Wow. That's got some power. Okay, this is a nice tool. I'm glad I got this. This is nice. Got a light underneath here so you can see what you're doing in the dark. It's got a little feature here that locks it out so that when you lay it down, it's not going to hit something and want to take off on you. So that's nice as well. I'll tell you what, this is just built so much nicer than that other one. I wish the other one would have worked. That'd have been great. Huh. Wonder what that was. Probably the rooster. You gotta watch out for that rooster. He's really not up to any good at any time. But anyway, well, if you're looking for a 20-volt ratchet, this is, like I said, the 1/2 inch. They make the 3/8 and a 1/4 inch. I probably won't be getting either one of those. Who knows? But this is nice. I like it. It's got the torque. You're not going to be disappointed. I'm just telling you right now. You're not going to be disappointed with this thing. This is great. Do I make any money from DeWalt? Absolutely not. Not a penny. All right, let's go ahead and open these up. So far, so good. Four nice magnets on the back, and they do stick very, very well, by the way. Well, let's go put these up. Well, I'm just going to put this one here for now. It'll be kind of probably a catch-all for many of things. But for right now, we're just going to put that in there. And whatever else I happen to find. All right, let's go put the yellow one on now. Not 100% sure where this one's going, but I think for right now, we're going to put it about maybe right there. Put some screwdrivers in there. Maybe I'll end up putting my, I don't know. That might not be a bad thing to do. We'll see if it can support this. Yeah, I'm kind of liking that. Okay, I think we're on to something. All right, well, that looks pretty decent. It's going to serve a good purpose. This has always been kind of a pain down here, but this is going to be a lot nicer. So, yeah, I'm liking that. Well, I think that takes care of another New Tool Tuesday. Keep an eye out for some of these new tools in the upcoming videos. When you do see them, go down below in the description, click on the link, and maybe go order one. You won't be upset that you did. I'm just telling you right now, you're not going to get in trouble if you do that. And if you do get in trouble, I didn't see that coming. I really did not see that coming. So it's worth the chance, I would say, especially on that 20-volt ratchet. That was nice. Very nice. Well, thanks for joining today, and this coming Saturday, I'll see you right here in the shop. Until then, I think you need to get out to the shop and be careful. We'll see you next week right here in the shop. I like that.